Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. Today I will show you how to make Farsi Salwar in a very easy way. First you have to put the crotch together and stitch it in both sides. Now take the belt piece and fold the waist area. Now we attach the elastic in the waist. You cut the elastic according to your size. Fold it into half and mark. Now put it on the side and stitch it inside of the waist. Turn the elastic over all other side and stitch it. Turn the waist area over and stitch along all the elastic. You have to pull it and slowly stitch around the waist area very carefully. Stitch it to make all the sides equal. Stitch it through the middle to create a beautiful finishing. Look at how beautiful the belt has been created. Now iron the bottom side of the trouser and mark the 5 inches on both sides. Now fold it inward 2.5 inches on both sides. Now start stitching on one side, and after the big plate, put the small plates like half-inch plates all throughout. Their face should be toward the crotch line. Now you put the opposite side. Now add the belt to the bottom side of the trouser and put two extra plates on the back side of the trouser. Attach the belt with the bottom side of the trouser. Look at the top part of the trouser. It's completed. Now we are going to do bottom side. We take 4-inch paper strip and paste into the wrong side of the bottom trouser. Now get the extra fabric and stitch it on the other side. Iron the fabric properly and turn inward. Now you have to fold the edges properly and iron it. Now you stitch it together. Make the straight lines. Maximum 10 to 12 straight lines. Now look, my bottom is ready. Now you measure the 12-inch at the bottom of the trouser and make a straight line all throughout. Now look how gorgeous and elegant this Farsi Salwar. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.